for my husband. Yan. Cheers! Cheers! Ako naman itong coconut juice.
Beer juice.
Beer juice for my husband. See? We stop if you wanna buy. Just stop. This is called floating market. Yan o. May mga tindahan sila dito sa gilid. So i-stop lang yung boat dyan kung may bibilhin ka.
Just don't point at anything.
Yeah. Grabe na. Grabe talaga. Ang galing
Why she
ng
was speaking
nilo
to you.
dito.
Bye.
So nakabili na ako ng souvenir. Inside, my love. Remember that one? So, ayan. May remembrance na ako